a dress, or do you want shirts and pants, or shirt and skirt? Shirt and pants? Alright, so do you like any of these shirts right here? We also have a princess shirt if you want one. You like that? No?
Okay, we're done. Just to get it. I would love to. Oh. So get it.
Frozen, the Nutcracker, Moana, Smallfoot, Incredibles. And then we have the Disney theme right over here. Then we have Paw Patrol, Star Wars. Animals. Did you want to do an animal sound? Yes, sir, Mel. Yeah. Alright, which one did you want to sing the happy birthday song? That one? It is $5. And then you're just going to watch it load on the screen. You want to squeeze and make sure it sings happy birthday? No? Alright. We're just going to put it inside right now so we don't lose it, okay? So just pop it in there. There we go. And then are you adding the second sound to that one? Right. Do you want to play with it to find a sound for the kitty cat? Right. Just touch it. If you want them to not get something, just tell me no. Do you want to keep your kitty's birthday today? No? What do you want it to be? 28? Just like that? Everything look good on here? Do you want to watch this? Alright, then we're going to name your other kitty, okay? Or do you want to name her? for me figuring out how to spell that, okay? Or do you want to do Anna? You want to play with it? So just do whatever one you want.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys signed up for more.
Like it? So we're gonna grab here. Do you want to scan it? Scan it right here. And then grab the blue chip. And put the blue chip down right there. You want to test it? Or no? Alright. We're just gonna put it in here so we don't lose it. And then did you want to do a frozen one with it? You have Let It Go for the first time in forever. In summer, it makes you play a perfect hit. We also have OAuth. You want to listen to it? Then you want to put the chip in?
It smells pretty good. Can you smell it?
The rainbow?
I have.
Do you want to scan her again?
I think this is a and this one is a cat.
Alright. And then whatever name you want, you can.
You might want to smell. Which one? That one? This one's super popular. Tell me what your country smells like. You want this? Do those? You smell like strawberries? Which one do you have strawberries in? You want to compare and see which one smells more like strawberry? Vanilla? Closest to vanilla. Would be this one smells like that, okay? I'm going to smell it first. You want to smell it one more time? No? You like it? Yeah, there's like do you want to do vanilla or do you want to get love with something else? We also have peppermint. You want to smell peppermint? No, I don't like peppermint either. Do you like flowers? Do you like to smell flowers? No. What about vanilla? You like vanilla? Do you want to smell both of these together? No. They actually smell pretty good. And then did you want to do a heartbeat or no? You like it? So do you see any others that you might want to smell? We have lots of them too. Alright, do you want to look with me all that stuff in? So out of these, which one do you like? Do you think this is the best? Who do you want to stuff first? This one? Which smell is she happy with?
You want to give her a hug? See if I can add stuffing anymore or taking me out? She's good? And then where do you want the smell to go? Do you want it on her belly or on her forehead? Belly?
a big squeeze and make sure she's stuffed perfect, okay? I'll treat you. If you want to even give her a big hug and make sure she's perfect. Do you want her to good, or do you want me to take some out? Pretty good? Alright, you can set her right up here and she can hang out while we stuff our other foot. We'll have her hold these for us, right? She can hold our hearts too. Alright, and so I can't even remember what foot it's in. Okay, so this one you're just gonna have to squeeze with your whole hand. Okay? So what we are going to do now is we're gonna give them some
Wash your tummy. So I'm going to have you shake it around a little bit, but I also need you to do something else to make it super strong. I need you to do 3 big giant jumps. Can you do that? Go for it. 1, 2, 3. Good job! See, that's going to be a super strong heartbeat. So next thing I want you to do is I want you to rub the heart on your arms. So your new friends always give you the biggest, warmest hugs. Hold to both hands. I want you to rub the heart on your knees. So your new friends always need you. And next we're gonna go all the way down to our toes and rub the heart on our toes. So your new friends are always as totally awesome as you are. So next thing I want you to do is I want you to put the heart on your nose and make a big wish for your new friends. After you're done, you're gonna make a little kiss so they can feel, okay? Job. These are going to be some well-loved bears, I think. Right. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit of help. Are you up for helping? Yeah? Okay, so you see this string right here? Can you pull that string for me? It might be a little hard to pull, so pull hard. Pull hard. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. Keep pulling. Pull. Right there. Good job. So can you hold that straight, all the way straight for me? We're going to cut it right here. Make her go that way. Make sure she doesn't come undone.
Do you want to get them dressed or do you want me to?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these tags on the same time.
You have two cell phones? So they gotta share? Alright. And then she wears this one or this one?
She's gonna look super pretty in this outfit.
Do you want to keep your hangers or no? Keep them? You got two of them? You want to put it in the front?
Guys, we're about to leave because my sister just finished. So, I like this place. And this one, and this one, and this one's Lily, and this one's Victoria. This one is Lily. This one is Victoria. So, after my sister's done, she's going to tell her name.